Hi everyone and welcome to this Python tutorial series for beginners. And in this video we would be learning a little bit about Python and getting ourselves acquainted with some concepts of programming. So let's first understand what Python actually is. So Python is a dynamically typed high-level interpreted programming language which has easy syntaxing. Now I'm assuming that you don't know meaning of any of these. Don't worry, we would be getting into them in the next video. Python can be used for many tasks. It is widely used in data science field. It is a scientific language. It can be used for automating stuff, for scraping data from the web. It can be used to make games, and sometimes it's even used to automate hacking attacks. I do not recommend that you do that. Anyway, why Python? Well, there are many languages, but why shall you learn Python and not the others? It's simple. No, I mean, Python is simple. Python is very simple to understand, and it's very high in demand. The reason is that it can do so much, being just a single language, that people are looking for Python developers. It is the de facto standard in data science and scripting space. Python is like the best language there is for scripting. Nothing beats it at that. And to add a cherry on top, a Python developer is pretty well paid. A Python developer is paid an average salary of $120,000 per year in the United States. So let's begin.